In today's competitive market, accessing global talent isn't just an advantage, it's essential. But navigating the complex process of hiring international talent can feel like a maze. At UK Immigration Solicitors, we're here to guide you through obtaining a UK sponsor license, enabling your business to thrive with the best international professionals. A UK sponsor license authorizes your company to recruit skilled workers from abroad, filling critical roles and driving growth. It's your gateway to a world of expertise. With a sponsor license, you can access a broader talent pool, overcome local skill shortages by hiring globally, enhance innovation. Diverse perspectives lead to creative solutions. Stay competitive. Attract top-tier talent that propels your business forward. Navigating the application involves eligibility check. Ensure your business meets the Home Office criteria. Document preparation. Gather necessary documents such as proof of operation and compliance. Online application. Submit your application through the official portal. Compliance audit. Be prepared for a potential Home Office assessment. Approval. Once granted, start issuing certificates of sponsorship to international hires. At UK Immigration Solicitors, we provide personalized guidance, tailor strategies to your business needs, ensure compliance, help you meet all legal requirements seamlessly, streamline the process, handle complexities, allowing you to focus on your business. Don't let borders limit your business potential. Partner with UK Immigration Solicitors to unlock a world of talent. Are you ready to take the next step? Contact us at 0238443889 or visit our website www.ukimmigrationsolicitors.co.uk for a consultation. We're here to make your dream of joining your partner in the UK a reality. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel at UK Immigration Solicitors for more expert immigration advice.